Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. So first, you just have to open your Instagram, make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application, and then locate the picture that you wanted to hide, but you don't want to delete. So all you have to do is to type that picture or pictures here, and then you have to look for the three dots. There you will see this archive option, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Let's just say, for example, this picture right here. I wanted to hide this on my profile. So I just have to click the three dots and then look for archive, move this to my archive. As easy as that. So once I have moved these pictures to my archive, if I'm going to go back to my profile and refresh, these pictures are all hidden. And in order for you to simply put it back or show these pictures again to your profile, it's pretty easy. You just have to click the three lines again at the top right corner, go to archive, and then here you have, or you can see the stories archive. You have to click this arrow facing down and then look for post archive. These are some of my pictures I have moved to my archive. In order for me to show it back to my profile, just tap the three dots and then click this show on profile. Okay, so you just have to do this to the pictures that you want to show again to your profile. And once done, you can now go back to your profile and then refresh. And you will see here that all pictures that are hidden are now on your profile. So basically, that's how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.